How to create SadaPay account. First of all, this app you can download from Play Store or App Store. Then open SadaPay app. Allow SadaPay to send you notification. Then select country code and enter your mobile number and click continue. We've sent a verification code to your phone number. My code has arrived. Copy the code and enter the verification code below. Great, let's set your SadaPay PIN, then click continue. This will be your 5-digit code that you will use to log in to SadaPay. Enter same login PIN. After that, there are some options here. Here enter the name, as it appears on your CNIC card. Then enter any email address. And click continue. Your identity details will be verified against this name. Please ensure there are no spelling errors. You can edit the name. Otherwise, verify it. To open a SadaPay account, we'll need photo of ID card and your selfie. Get started. Scan front of ID card. Only scan original ID. Colored copies are not allowed. Take a clear and in focus photo. Try to avoid glare. Don't use flash. Utilize good lighting. Take photo. Allow SadaPay to take pictures and record video. If the picture of your CNIC didn't come out properly, you can take it again. Otherwise, click here where it says, "The front is readable." Now scan the back. Make sure the barcode is visible and that the photo is clear. Take photo. Same here. If the picture of your CNIC didn't come out properly, you can take it again. Otherwise, click here where it says, "The back is readable." Verify CNIC details. Make sure you have your CNIC with you while completing this form. The last boxes are blank. Why is the mother's name missing? Enter the mother's name as it appears on your CNIC card. And click continue. Time for a selfie. We'll just need a clear photo of you to verify your identity. Find a place with good lighting. Take off glasses. Please keep a straight face. Take photo. Position your face. Again, same here. If the picture of your CNIC didn't come out properly, you can take it again. Otherwise, click here where it says, "The picture is clear." Your account verification is pending. We need to do a quick manual review of some of your details, which may take up to 2 business days. Now go to the mobile home screen and wait for 2 hours or 2 days, then SadaPay will send you a notification. Account approved. Welcome to the party. Your account has been approved. Tap here to get your first look at the app. Enter your login PIN. Account successfully created. This is how you can create SadaPay account. We hope this guide helped you. Don't forget like, share and subscribe for more helpful tech content.